Types of government. Government can be of different types. Monarchy, dictatorship, and democracy are the three main types of government. So these are the different types of government. Okay, now we will discuss all these three different types of government in detail. First of all, monarchy. Do you recognize this person? He is Akbar the Great, one of the greatest monarch in history. This is the picture. Monarchy is a form of government which is headed by a king or a queen. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, this is a picture of the Akbar the Great, and he was the greatest monarch in our Indian history, right? So he was a monarch. So what does the monarchy means? Monarchy is a form of government where the leader is king or queen. It is mainly a hereditary form of government, so power passes down from one generation to another in the same family. So monarchy system, or you can say monarchy form of government, is a hereditary form. That means, for example, after Akbar, his son will ascend the throne. After his son, his son's son will ascend the throne. So this is called the hereditary form. Okay, so that's why these monarchy system, it transfer from one generation to another in the same family. A monarch head the government of a country, and he is assisted by a council of ministers. So a monarch head, that means in this case Akbar, he lead the government. That means he make the certain rules and regulation for his empire, and the leader is assisted by many council of ministers who will give guidance regarding any problem. Next is dictatorship. Adolf Hitler was one of the most infamous dictator in world history. So one of the famous, you can say, dictator leader was the Adolf Hitler. Dictatorship is a form of government in which all the power rests with one individual. So this form of government is that in this form of government, all the powers are under the control of one individual, the dictator. Okay, in this case Adolf Hitler. This is the picture of Adolf Hitler. The dictator does not adhere to any rules or laws, nor does he care about the welfare of the people. So what does the dictator do? Whatever the rules and regulation which are made by the dictator, it is made according to uh, his requirement, and he does not care, or you can say he does not look after the welfare of the people. Okay, he rules according to his own whims and fancies. So he make laws, or he rule the entire empire according to his wish. Okay, hence dictatorship is mostly oppressive. So hence we can say that dictatorship is a form of government in which only one person have the authority, and he will make rules and regulation according to his need and requirement. He does not make rules and regulation on the basis of the people. Okay, so hence we can say that dictatorship is mostly oppressive. That means try to rule people who are poor section of the society. Okay, next is democracy. The most important form of government today is democracy. Okay, it is a form of government where people participate in the governance of the country. So what does the term democracy means? It is a form of government in which people, that means citizen of that particular country, participate in an election so that they can choose their leader. Democracy can be of two types, direct and indirect. So democracy is divided, it is of two types. First is direct and the second one is indirect. In a direct democracy, the people in a country directly participate in the governance. So in the direct democracy, people, they directly participate in order to choose the leader for their country. However, direct democracy is possible only in countries with a small population. So one disadvantage of direct democracy is that it can only be possible with a country which has a small population. Okay, a more popular form of democracy is indirect or representative democracy. Just like these type of democracy is practiced in our country India. In this form of country, People choose their representative through election who then form the government. Just like our country India, we choose our leader when we participate in an election. Okay, when we participate in an election, and with the help of election we choose our government.